Samsung S21 5G Android version 13 bypass Google account. Now the device is in welcome mode. Start by pressing Start, agree to all optional, press round icon. To agree, press skip back to Wi-Fi setup. Now I will set up my Wi-Fi first on the device. I don't know the password that is saved. I will click on Use my Google account instead. I don't know the email and phone number that was given earlier on the device. I also don't know by pressing the back button. I will go to the welcome screen now. I will connect to the computer using the USB port. Now I come to the computer. You see on the screen that my device is connected to the computer. A notification is coming. After going to this PC, click on the right side of the mouse and go to the manager. I will see if the driver for my device is found. The driver is complete. There is no problem. Download Samsung mobile driver from Google for free. Symphony Tool 3.31 download. I give its link in the description box. I will open the Symphony tool. The tool is opened. I will press Remove FRP-OG 2022. Press Enable Test Mode, go to the device, press Emergency Call, then dial *0 *#. Enable Test Mode is turned on. Now look on the computer screen. I will press Google. It will show the files which tool will use to bypass the lock. All the files are locked, but the lock is not bypassed now. I will remove the USB cable from the device and plug it again. I will press Remove FRP-OG 2022. Then it will show Enable Text Mode Test Mode on my device. I will press on it. All the files of the tools are now successful. Now the option is coming. Now press the round icon next to the text. Always allow from this computer, then press Allow. FRP remove is successful. It says to pull from the middle of the device from the bottom to the top. I will press OK. It will take 35 seconds to turn on now. Go to Settings, then go to About Phone. About Phone. My device name is Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G model number SMG 998B/DS on UI version 5.0 Android version 13 device. Complete setup successful.